Reading Lesson 1. Hello, readers. Today we're going to be talking about setting. Please click on this link here and watch this video. You'll hear some of the story read and how a reader identifies the setting. Setting means the time and place. Time means when it is, morning, afternoon, or night. Place means where it is, the bedroom, the park, the classroom. Next, finish reading the page where the reader stopped and write down what you think the setting is in your notebook. This is a sample of what your notebook should look like. Write your first and last name, write the date, your class number, ours is 1-4, and the title of the book. Underneath, write setting, time, and place. This is where you will write your ideas for the setting. Then you can sign into your own Myon account and finish reading the book. When you've finished, choose Books from Home or on Myon with the sound off and read for 30 minutes. Remember to look for the setting, the time, and place a story takes place. This link will take you to Myon. Talk to you later.